Hey, this is Peggy with Easy Peasy Machine Embroidery, and today I have a request that came in. What happens when you install the Cloud Sync tool and now you can't find your folder? Everything else is working fine, but where the heck is the folder and why isn't it working? So that's what the topic is today. So don't mind my desktop, it's usually full. And what I want you to do is go down into your folder, your File Explorer, and click on that. And I need you to go to the little house right here and find your own name, the name of your computer. And once you do that, at least we're hoping that once you do that, let's see. Here is the home. All right. So where I was in the the iCloud drive, and that's not the folder you want. You want the folder that looks like this. Okay? And you're going to see a folder called MySewNet Cloud. I want you to right click on that, and I want you to do a couple of things. Pin it to your quick access. Your quick access is what you're going to see over in this general area. And I usually pin it to the start also. And once you've done that, you should see the MySewNet Cloud over here on the side. And from there, you should be able to open it up. The other things you need to do to get that sync folder working is down here, there is a little icon, red with a white cloud and a red heart inside. Sometimes you have to do a right click and do launch the MySewNet Cloud Sync tool. The other place that you may need to turn on is over here. So next to the clock, there's a little arrow that will bring up all kinds of things. And you want to find the Cloud Sync tool. And where is it? Right there. Okay, so here is the tool. I don't know if you can see it. It has a white cloud with a little heart in it. And you can right click it and do a sign in. You can double left click it. And that just turned it off, I think. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and launch it again. My folder has synced already, so that's why you're seeing that. But if you double click, you may need to, and that was a double left click, you may need to go in here and sign into the MySewNet.com. So that's your regular email and password into MySewNet. And that should do you. As long as you're signed in here and you're signed in on your machine. Remember, that's in the settings toolbar, which is generally in the upper right hand side. Looks like a little cogwheel. You bring it down and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi and your MySewNet. So make sure it's signed in there. Okay, so hopefully that will straighten you out. If not, let me know what's happening. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.